So some studies suggest that sleep plays a very important role in weight loss. I think it plays a 60, 70% role, but that's just me. Specifically, fat loss during calorie restriction. In a study of people undergoing 14 days of calorie restriction, where they cut back their calories, the participants lost less fat when they spent 5.5 hours a day in bed than 8 hours in bed. Is essential. That means getting enough sleep is very important for maintaining a healthy physical, mental, and emotional functioning. So basically, people that spend 8.5 hours or more in bed, they burned more fat than people that spend only 5 hours getting rest and sleeping. Some more sleep research in adults. The research less detailed, while large analysis of past studies suggest that people getting less than 6 hours of sleep a night are more likely to be diagnosed as obese. So a lot of people don't really get a lot of sleep. A lot of times they're usually obese because that our bodies don't work the way as well when we don't get enough sleep. So basically, this research was just showing people that get 6 or more hours of sleep tend to be usually obese, people overweight. Does lack of sleep cause weight loss? So on that note, if I don't get enough sleep, will I gain weight? Well, the bottom line, not getting enough sleep, it can sabotage and seriously stop your efforts if you're trying to lose weight.